If you want to take macro photos on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, you can use, for example, this flower icon. This is the macro mode, the dedicated camera for taking macro photos. So pictures of objects really close to the camera lenses. As you can see, the quality is much better like this. So we can just try to hold the camera as close as possible to the subject in order to take a macro photo. There is also an alternative. Instead of keeping the camera so close to the subject, you can also try to simply use the zoom. So we're gonna switch to 1x and we're gonna slightly zoom in gradually in order to try to get the best photo possible. Of course, you need to keep the appropriate distance between the object and the camera in order to keep the image sharp. And that's pretty much it. So these are two main methods that allow you to capture macro photos. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!